like this are being generated using storyboard concepts. And in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest step-by-step creation process using absolutely free AI tools. I've always told you that on this channel, I will be sharing tutorials, tips, AI tools that are free and what you can use them for. So these videos that you just watched can be used for product demonstration, brand commercial, children's channel, educational content, viral social media posts, viral social media videos, and even cinematic short stories. So without further ado, let's go straight for me to show you how to develop the idea, create a structured storyboard, generate consistent images, animate every scene, and continue and combine everything into one professional video. And don't worry, if you're a beginner, you don't need any advanced editing skill, expensive equipment, or even previous animation experience. You can just follow this exact workflow from the start to the finish. Let's run through the checklist first. You must create the concept and write the storyboard by yourself. Then generate images, animate each scene and voiceover and the sound, and then edit the final video. Head over to ChatGPT and tell it your video idea that you want to use for your storyboard. For this video, I told ChatGPT create a storyboard about an African woman that was jogging down an empty road. She got tired and sweaty. She looked up into the sun and she looked tired. She hears a car driving from behind her. She looks back and sees a pink car with two huge bottles of refreshing drink on it. The car gets to her front. She grabs one huge bottle, pops it open, and drinks, and says, "Ha, so refreshing." Then I now said, now create a 30-second vertical storyboard about the video I just described. I further said, break it into 5 scenes of 6 seconds each. For every scene, provide number 1, scene number and duration. Number 2, what happens. Number 3, the camera angle. Number 4, detailed AI image prompt. Number 5, AI image to video motion prompt. Number 6, voiceover. Number 7, on-screen text. Then I said, keep the character, clothing, product, and location consistent throughout. Make the opening 2 seconds and highly engaging. That is the exact prompt you're going to use to get your image. Now, ChatGPT will now give you the 30-second storyboard. As you can see, it has given me all this. Make sure that you already have the reference image. I'm going to generate one now for you to see. I'm going to copy this image prompt right here, create a photorealistic final hero of the scene of the African woman. I will copy it and then I will head over to Google Gemini to generate my image. As you can see, I've been generating some images of that storyboard. So let's put in that particular prompt now. You first of all say, use the attached image for reference. Once you say that, you now drop the prompt you just copy from ChatGPT and click this plus button and go and attach the image that you just generated so that it will be your hero image. Hero image means the consistent character, which is the product and the avatar I want to use. Then you click. It takes less than 1 minute for Google Gemini to generate those images for you. It has already generated quite a number of images for each scene that ChatGPT gave me. Once we are done getting all these images, as you can see, the character is consistent. The facial expression, I wanted her to look like she was sweating and exhausted from jogging on the lonely road, and then the product appeared to save her. This is the final image. So what we just need to do is download it, and we will now use our the video generating platform to make this into a video. So I'm going to save it as Toyin Happy, and then I'll save it on the desktop. And that is the first step to getting your storyboard. Now that you've seen the workflow, let's talk about what a storyboard is. A storyboard is a visual plan for your video. It divides your idea into individual scenes and tells the AI what should happen, where it should happen, which camera angle, and what to use, and how the character should actually move. Without the structure, your character chatting and production or location may change unexpectedly between the scenes. So that is why you must follow the exact concept that I have shown on the videos I generated. Now that you have your storyboard, it's time to animate all your videos one after the other, and we're going to be using Flow AI. Always check all your video prompts so that you know how many seconds to select when you are generating. Look at the first scene now. It only says, why did I choose the hottest day to go jogging? So you want to make sure that this is just a 4-second video that you're going to choose. I'm going to select one and I'm going to generate it for you to see. Let's go ahead and use the last one, which is, so refreshing. Meraki mix really brings the flavor. So this is Google Flow. Just click on the agent and upload the media that you want to use, which is Toyin is satisfied. I'm going to upload that. Then you're going to go ahead and copy the prompts from ChatGPT and head back into it. Now that you have the image attached, you add to prompt and you say use the attached image to generate the video. To generate the video. So you will now attach that prompt that you selected and select 6 seconds because you want it to really give it enough room to generate. Now it's going to generate. Once you finish generating all these videos, you will now head over to CapCut to edit everything and make it into one full story. I'm going to show you how it came out. Our full video has been generated. Let's watch before we finish editing.
Why did I choose the hottest day to go jogging? Wait, what is that? Is that Meraki mix? So refreshing. Meraki mix really brings the flavor.
So this is just a draft. I'm still going to edit and show you the final video. Now, before we go ahead and do that, I'm going to show you the second way to create a storyboard, which you don't have to do one after the other. We'll head back to ChatGPT now. Now in ChatGPT, I'm going to tell it that I want a storyboard on just one sheet. So this is the prompt which I'm going to drop in the description below. I said you're an Elite AI storyboard director, infographic, designer, and short form video producer, specialized in creating highly engaging educational DIY cooking, survival, science, life hack, repair, gardening, productivity, outdoor skill, and how to do video, optimized for AI image video generation. Your objective is to create professional storyboard image prompts and AI video prompts that are cinematic, easy to understand, and visually engaging. So I said suggest video ideas for the response. And it suggested. I wasn't satisfied with the 10, so I said more using Afro style blend relatable concept. He gave me another set. I said I now picked then how to turn Ankara fabric scrape into earrings. And then I put it there, but I changed the concept because I have created the earring on into Ankara bag. ChatGPT went ahead and asked, do you want a 10-second optimized for Omni Flash or 15 seconds for optimized for Sedans? I selected 10 seconds. Then it asked me, would you like to use your own avatar, or if you don't upload an avatar, I'll automatically create a professional character that best matches the chosen topic. So I attach my character. It now gave me the story board image prompt, which I'm going to copy now. You will copy everything up to the voice over script, but you don't copy the Omni Flash video 10 seconds prompt. Then you copy it and head over to Google Gemini. In Google Gemini, make sure you attach that same image that you gave ChatGPT and the prompt. So I'm just going to attach that image right now that I used to get the Gemini will generate the storyboard for me. You see, it's creating the image now. The image is ready. Once it's ready, I download it as Toyin with Ankara bag. I just save it on my desktop and head over AI. Then I will attach that image that I downloaded. It's very, very easy. You see how beautiful it will come out. I go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt to animate that particular visual. You see how long it is? Just copy everything like that. That is it. Then go back to Google Flow. The image has been attached. You select it. This time around, change it to 10 seconds so that I would animate the video correctly and let it animate. All right, our video is ready. Check it out. Straight to the point and highly engaging. Isn't that lovely?
Let's make some colorful Ankara earrings. First, trace your circular template. Now cut cleanly along the lines. Apply glue and press smoothly. Polishing the edges removes any wrinkles. Let's make beautiful marble art. Spray an even layer of foam, add drops of paint, swirl them together, press your paper lightly, scrape off the excess, reveal your masterpiece.
So, as you can see, to improve consistency, I used one clear image of my character as the master avatar reference, which I kept uploading into each of the platforms, both Google Gemini, ChatGPT, and even Flow AI. So that way, the product content, they upload and a clear product image where the shape, colors, label, and packaging are clearly visible. Then you always ensure that you tell the AI to preserve the product exact image structure, exact skin tone, and everything. So do not forget to always use that master prompt that I have dropped on the description below.
Why did I choose the hottest day to go jogging? Wait, what is that? Is that Meraki mix? Ah, so refreshing. Meraki mix really brings the flavor.
Before we round up, I want to talk about something that you should always take note. Check that the character remains consistent, the product label is readable, the clips connect naturally, and the voiceover matches the action. Also look for extra fingers, changing clothes, wrapped bottles, or whatever product you're advertising, duplicated objects, or even sudden background changes. Final checklist. Ensure that everything stays consistent all throughout the production of your storyboard. And this is how you turn one simple idea into a complete AI storyboard video using free tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can always push this video to more people that require this kind of tutorials. And Toyin-Parrot is always here to share with you amazing tools that you need. What tool should we work on next? Let me know in the comment section, and comment storyboard below if you'd like me to share the complete master prompt I use for this project. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next